Hey there. If you're on the hunt for some affordable artificial intelligence stocks priced under $15, you've stumbled upon the perfect read. I'm going to dive into all the juicy details about snapping up the best AI stocks without breaking the bank. So are you itching to get your hands on some top-notch AI investments? You might need to be a bit patient. AI is the talk of the town in 2023, with companies in this space enjoying a serious growth spurt. When you see stocks shooting up like fireworks, finding AI gems for less than $20 or even $10 can seem like a treasure hunt. But don't worry, there are still plenty of budget-friendly AI stocks out there. You may need to venture off the beaten path in the stock market jungle to find them though. In my friendly guide, I'm going to show you why AI has taken the financial world by storm and share our favourite picks that promise to deliver without emptying your wallet. The financial market is all abuzz with AI these days. And 2023 is shaping up to be a year where AI tech is leading the charge in forecasting market trends. With a worldwide race heating up, companies are eager to roll out AI-powered products and services to catch the wave of growing interest. Let's get started on this exciting financial adventure together. So what is an artificial intelligence stock? Wondering what an artificial intelligence stock is all about? Imagine a super smart robot that's getting better every day, doing the thinking for us. That's AI for you, and it's packed with untapped potential that's just starting to be explored. From insurance companies speeding through claims to search engines that know what you're looking for before you do. AI is the new whiz kid on the block. And let's not forget our handy digital peels like Amazon's Alexa and Apple's Siri. They're showing us just how nifty it is to have an AI sidekick in our lives. Now, picking the creme de la creme of stocks means looking at what's got the mojo to succeed and make some moolah. Take quantum AI stocks, for instance. They're just one flavour in the big AI stock candy shop. And guess what? You can now get your hands on AI stocks for less than the price of a movie ticket. Yep, under $15. And the cherry on top. These wallet-friendly AI stocks could turn out to be little gold mines for your investment portfolio. How exciting is that? Why must you invest in AI stocks? Ever wonder why investing in AI stocks might be a smart move? Well, when I talk about figuring out a stock's value, I often look at what kind of cash it could rake in down the road. It's like this massive treasure chest of potential. And any company that hits the jackpot with a breakthrough could see its earnings, and as a result, its stock price soar to the stars. Think about the glory days when Apple and Microsoft were just kids on the block. Those who bet on them early are probably on a yacht right now. Putting some of your investment eggs in the AI basket can also be a clever way to protect yourself against other stocks that might trip over the tech revolution's shoelaces. Even if AI stocks are just a slice of your portfolio pie, keeping an eye on this fast-moving sector gives you a sneak peek into the future. It's like having a crystal ball for the rest of your stocks. Let's face it, and it is shaking things up big time, and as it gets more and more woven into the fabric of our economy, some folks will be popping champagne while others will be crying over spilled milk. Wouldn't you rather be on the winning side? 6 best artificial intelligence stocks under $10. All right, let's dive into our roundup of the coolest AI stocks trading under $15 that you can grab today. Just a little heads up, the stocks priced this low are often from smaller companies, which can mean they're a bit like roller coasters. Expect some ups and downs. So before you jump in, think about what you're aiming for and how much of a thrill ride you're up for in your investment journey. Happy investing. Sprinklr Inc. Let's chat about some AI stock goodness. I have got my eyes on a certain stock, Sprinklr Inc, NEA. It's me 6 months, looking pretty sweet with an average price target of $14.75. Now imagine a cozy club of 22 hedge fund holders all seeing a potential upside of about 9.20. That's Sprinklr for you. So what's the deal with Sprinklr? They're all about cloud-based software that helps businesses get smart with customer data that's as scattered as puzzle pieces. Their star player is the unified customer experience management platform. They've got a lineup of cool tools. Sprinklr Insights for the detective work in customer data, Sprinklr Service to help customer service fly high with AI, Sprinklr Marketing to keep your marketing game tight, and Sprinklr Social to keep the social media buzz buzzing. Now picture Jay Parker Lane from Stifel. On March 30, this savvy analyst cranked up the price target for Sprinklr to $13 from $8 while keeping a steady hold stance on the stock. Why, you ask? Sprinklr's been knocking it out of the park with their Q4 earnings, beating the street's guesses on revenue and profit. They're even strutting a forecast for FY24 that's got more sparkle than expected. Let's not forget the hedge fund scene. Insider Monkey's latest scoop shows 22 hedge funds betting on Sprinklr, which is up from 18 in the previous quarter. And the MVP? Eric Bannister's KDN Capital, holding a treasure trove of 7.8 million shares valued at a cool $63.08 million. And just for the cherry on top, Sprinklr is dancing in the same league as big names like Amazon.com, Inc., Snowflake Inc., and EPAM Systems Inc., making it one of the AI stocks you might want to keep your binoculars focused on. So pop some popcorn and let's watch this show unfold. NIO Inc. NIO. Let's take a leisurely drive through some numbers that are revving up in the investment world. Word on the street is that the average estimated price target for NIO Inc., that's NIO for the ticker tape fans, is sitting at a cool $12.31. Now, that's a number that's got some room to it. And guess what? A solid crew of 25 hedge fund holders have buckled up for the ride with NIO, showing they believe this trip is going places, the average upside potential, a robust 35.72. That's the kind of potential that might just make you want to roll down the windows and let your hair fly. So NIO Inc., is it just about making those sleek electric vehicles that turn heads in China? They're packing their cars with some nifty AI tech, like the kind you wish you had during those bumper-to-bumper commutes. They've got everything from ADAS to autonomous driving features that are smarter than a 5-star general in a game of chess. And let's not forget Nomi, the in-car AI assistant. Nomi's the buddy who's got your back, keeping the beats and the cabin chill just right, while also being the best backseat driver without the sass, giving you the 411 on all your directions and queries. For us, NIO's got this cloud-based platform called NIO Pilot. It's like having a guardian angel that uses AI algorithms and big data to keep you safe and add some sparkle to your driving experience. If you're into AI stocks, NIO might just be the gem you're looking for. Now let's talk shop about sales. In March 2023, NIO handed over the keys to 10,378 new owners. That includes 3,203 of their premium smart electric SUVs and a whopping 7,175 smart electric sedans. Sure, it's a bit of a backstep from the previous month by 14.80, but year over year, they've hit the gas with a 4 increase. Morgan Stanley's very own Tim Herciato took a peek under the hood on March 20 and decided to keep an overweight rating on NIO. He did tweak the price target down to $12 from $16.10. But hey, that's just keeping things real. Peering through the hedge fund foliage, Insider Monkey's latest scoop from the fourth quarter shows that 25 hedge funds are sweet on NIO. That's one less than before, but still quite the fan club. And leading the cheer, Josh Shaver's Electron Capital Partners, holding a treasure chest of 6.30 million shares valued at handsome $61.04 million. So if you're looking to park some funds in a stock that's got an electric future, NIO might just be the ride you're looking for. Keep your investment seatbelts fastened. This could get exciting. DUOT Technologies Group Inc. Let's chat about a little tech gem that's making waves. In the world of artificial intelligence, DUOT Technologies Group Inc. TikTok on the NASDAQ. DUOT. The street's buzzing with an average price target of $7.63 for DUOT, and let me tell you, that's not just pocket change. Only a dynamic duo hedge fund holders have hitched their wagon to this star, but don't let that number fool you. The average upside potential is a whopping 90.63. That's like hitting the turbo button in a drag race. DUOT Technologies isn't playing small. They're the tech wizards behind some cutting-edge solutions. From Centrico, their powerhouse of an enterprise information management system, to True 360, a platform that's all about spinning up AI algorithms. And let's not forget Praisezidium, the maestro of managing image capture devices and sensors. These platforms are not just smart. They're genius using machine learning and all sorts of brainy tech to deliver real-time applications that could make your head spin. And guess what? DUOT's Technologies just pulled the covers off 2 shiny new AI detection models that work with their railcar inspection portal. This is for the trains, folks. And I'm talking about high-speed passenger rail cars getting the once-over at speeds that would make your hair stand on end, up to 125 miles per hour. Back in January, Ascendiant analyst Edward Wu tipped his hat to duos with a buy rating and set a $5 price target. Now that's a vote of confidence with a cherry on top. Peeking into the hedge fund crystal ball, Insider Monkey's fourth quarter data shows that Sandra Gerber's Hudson Bay Capital Management is sitting pretty as the big cheese with 21,696 shares worth a cool $45, 5 cents million. So for those of you looking to invest in a company that's got its eyes on the AI prize, DUOT's Technologies might just be your golden ticket. Keep your investment game strong, and who knows, this could be the start of a beautiful friendship with the future. Number 3, Lantronix Inc, NASDAQ Gold GX. Let's chat about Lantronix Inc, which is looking pretty interesting with an average price target of $9.90. Did you know that 10 hedge funds have taken a shine to this company? That's right, they're getting in on the action with this innovator. That's all about making things smarter and more connected. From keeping an eye on things with video surveillance, to managing the hustle and bustle of traffic. Lantronix is also making waves in fun stuff like infotainment systems and serious tech like robotics. They're in the thick of it with edge computing and even helping manage remote environments. Their toolbox is packed with cool gadgets like telematics devices for keeping tabs on vehicles and fleets, and they're big on communication with their fancy network switches and converters. Plus, they're into the brains of the operation with system on modules and computers that are just waiting for developers to get their hands on. Michael Walkley, an analyst over at Canaccord, is still rooting for Lantronix with a buy rating. Although he tweaked the price target from $11 down to $10, he's excited about their big win. They've locked down a $40 million contract with Gridspertise. That's a whole $10 million more than they first thought. Sure, it's on pause for a bit, moving to F2024, but when it kicks in, they're expecting a nice bump in revenue with some solid earnings to boot. And get this, Insider Monkey peeked into the hedge fund world and saw that 10 of these funds are pretty upbeat about Lantronix, with stakes totaling $10.05 million. George McCabe and the crew at Portal and Capital Management are leading the pack with the biggest slice of the pie. So keep your eyes peeled for Lantronix. It's making moves that could heat things up in the tech space. Number 2, Infobird company LTRX. This company is all about blending AI with customer service, offering some nifty tools to help businesses keep their customers happy. They're like the tech-savvy friend who's always got the latest gadgets to make life easier. Infobird's toolbox includes cloud-based Crumb, snazzy SaaS, and even some business process outsourcing to take some weight off their clients' shoulders. And here's the scoop on their financials. Catalysts are eyeing an average price target of $12, 47 cents for Infobird stock. While we don't have the deets on hedge fund holders, the potential upside is a jaw-dropping 26.79. That's like hitting the jackpot on a penny slot machine. Infobird isn't just playing in the minor leagues. They offer AI-powered software to help businesses keep their sales forces sharp and efficient. Think of it as a personal trainer for your sales team, but in the cloud. They're serving up success across the board, from finance and education to healthcare and consumer products. And get this, Infobird is one of those hidden gems, one of the best AI stocks you can snag for under $20. On the update front, Infobird shared some exciting news on February 24. They put out a direct offering of about 3.85 million units, with each unit being a combo of one ordinary share and a 0.65 slice of a warrant to buy another share. These units were going for $1.30 each, which is pretty wallet-friendly. The warrants are ready to roll right off the bat at the same price and are good for 5 years. This whole shindig is expected to rake in a cool $5 million and wrapped up on February 28, 2023. So keep your eyes on Infobird. They're flying high on the financial radar. Number 1, C3.ai. Let's take a moment to talk about T3. A pretty cool enterprise AI software company that's all about giving businesses a helping hand. They're like the tech genie that helps companies automate the nitty-gritty tasks and make smarter decisions thanks to the magic of artificial intelligence. T3. AI's got this platform that's super popular across various sectors, from energy to healthcare, helping big and small businesses alike. Let's talk number. T3A is strutting its stuff on the stock market at about $15 a pop as of March 8, 2023. The company's got a weighty market cap of $3.08 billion, which is nothing to sneeze at. They've been doing pretty well for themselves, with revenues hitting $223 million in 2022. But wait, there's more. C3. AI is like that kid who grows a foot taller every summer, boasting a compound annual growth rate of 70 over the last 5 years. They're not exactly rolling in profit just yet, but hey, they're making cash flow happen, which is a great sign. The word on Wall Street is that T3. It gets a thumbs up from most analysts with a shiny buy recommendation. But like any superhero story, there are challenges ahead. The enterprise AI scene is like a high-stakes chess game with big players like IBM and Microsoft in the mix. Plus C3. Its platform is kind of a complex beast, so it might take customers a bit of time to really get the hang of it. And of course, there's always the chance that the market might get a little too crowded for comfort. All in all, C3. It seems to be sitting pretty in the enterprise AI playground. They've got a solid growth game and a platform that customers seem to love. Just keep an eye on those hurdles on the track, like the fierce competition and the possibility of the market getting all filled up.